first stop on my trip up Mount Wellington. I'm just stopping to have a look at the view. As you can see here, I'm on the Pinnacle track. Nice sightseeing area. I'm going to the organ pipes walk. It's about a 3-hour walk, and before I start that I'll make another quick video. Right, I overshot my mark, so I'm not at the start yet, but I've driven up a bit, and this is where the natural springs come out. It snowed pretty heavily last night, so there's a fair bit of water coming down. You can see a bit of snow over there. I'll see if I can get a view of the view for you. Now, probably 2 hours ago, this whole place was fairly covered in snow. You can see the city down there. I won't go down there though, it's not the track I want to be on. Right, so I decided to do a Sphinx rock track because I couldn't find the start to the track I wanted to do. I've been there before, but I don't know, I couldn't find it. So I'm going to do Sphinx rock. It's not as long, but I think it's pretty cool. I might go Junction Cabin if I'm making good time, and I'll see. Right, I come up to a small chair. The track so far has been really easy, if not a bit muddy. So, pretty sure this is meant to be a view of Hobart, but there's a fair few trees in the way. Apparently there's a better view further up, so we'll wait till then. Right, so I've reached Sphinx Rock. Here's the view, it's quite awesome, but it doesn't look as good. They're the organ pipes up there. I was going to be doing a track up there somewhere, but I couldn't find the entrance, so I'll leave that for another day. Now, I'm pretty high up here. I wouldn't want to fall. I've seen some loops, like metal loops in the ground. So I think they're for people that are abseiling or rock climbing. I've got no idea why it's called Sphinx Rock. I'm assuming it looks like a sphinx from the bottom, but I can't be sure. And I am not going down there to check. But yeah. Now I might keep on going to Junction Cabin, but I'm not sure yet. I'll see how I'm going for time. And yeah, this is Sphinx Rock at Mount Wellington in Tasmania. Okay, I'm making a slight detour. I was going to go to Junction Cabin, but I'm going to go down Lower Sawmill track, and I'm assuming that it will take me to the bottom of Sphinx Rock, so I will be able to get a better look at it. And yeah, the track looks a lot more interesting. It's actually okay. I'm at what I'm fairly certain is the bottom of Sphinx Rock. Looks pretty awesome. Heaps of pools and dripping water. Gonna have a bit more of a look. This is awesome. Now if I get through this pool of water, I'll be able to show you a bit further in. First, I want my camera to get dripped on. You can see all the pores in the rocks where they've been dripped on over the years. And everyone that scratched their name into the rock trying to be cool. This looks far cooler than it does on camera. So this is underneath where the previous video was taken. So I'm pretty sure people abseil down here. Right, so I followed lower Sawmill track down a bit, which is the one that come off Sphinx rock track, and it's getting a lot wetter, a lot darker and gloomier. Not much sun gets through here, and I don't know exactly where it leads, but I'll have to head back up it soon because I'm pretty sure it's not a round track, not a loop. It's been going downhill for a while. If it keeps going this way, I'll probably head back up. But I've still got a while yet, so I don't want to cut my walk short. Right, so we've come this far down Lower Sawmill track. I think I might head back up now because it just keeps on going and it's not looping around or anything. So I'll head back up and I might give one of the other trails a try. Right, so I'm almost back to the springs where I started. I'm near the road now, I can see cars going past. It was a bit of a trek on the way back because most of it on the way over was downhill, so all the way up was uphill. But it was a good walk. I could have gone further, but I spent too long trying to find that other track. Ran out of time. This is a nice easy track, this bit of it, which is the Sphinx trail. It's nice and flat. As soon as you get past that, it's a lot harsher. But yeah, it was fun all in all. Recommend walking one of these tracks because they're really good, and I can't wait to try a few more of them. Next time, hopefully, it'll be the organ pipes track, or the pinnacle track. But I want to allow myself a day, like a good solid fair few hours during the middle of the day before I do that. And yeah, that's been it.